We are pleased to show you the 2010 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.